This is the Om Nom from the cartoon Talking Tom. The latest children's trend is Sprunky Red. Here is a Minecraft fox and some sort of dog. Hello! My name is Yolanta. I love to sew and make things. I sew and sell children's clothes as a professional, and I also love to sew kids' toys for my own kids. So today's video is gonna be about sewing a toy. My kids love toys, all sorts of toys, from Legos to plushes. Usually when they enjoy a certain cartoon or video game so much, they want to have characters from them. And recently my daughter came with a new request. So she comes and mumbles noodles and bun, noodles and bun, and I really don't understand what she's talking about. I thought maybe I will have to make some bun, which sounds not too bad. Shouldn't be too hard, but I have to go and Google to see what it is. I come to my computer and I will Google noodles and bun. So we go to the official site. I can see some animals here. I don't see any noodles and any buns, so I guess it's not the bun that I will be making. If you can see here, the prices for the toys are amazing. A single toy a bit less, but let's add the shipping cost as well, so it is really not cheap. Which one we will start with, Mia?
Noodle Plush.
Noodle Plush is the cat?
Yes!
So as you heard, it's a cat. I'm gonna try and print some photos of this cat so I don't need to look at the computer all the time. Okay, I'll see if I can get another shot, maybe the front shot for the face. Okay, so I have the prints, so I will have to look for the fabric. I will need some gray soft fabric for the body, some pink fabric for the ears, bits of white, and for the pink nose I will probably use some button. So I found some pretty close fabrics. This soft velvety fabric for the body, this bright pink, kind of fuchsia pink for the ears. I also found this softer pink, so it's actually very close to the nose. Basically I have my fabrics. Now I have to start to draft the pattern. So here I'm just drawing just a rough scheme by looking at the shape of the cat. I will draw a scheme first, and afterwards I will do a proper paper pattern. Now let's do the paper pattern. this is the bottom. So this is the part that it's there. The part on which the cat is actually lying down. So that's that. It's gonna be on the folded fabric, so this will repeat here. So that's the bottom. Then this is the side, which will sew around here, and this is gonna be the back of the cat. And then after, we will add the head here and the tail. So I will cut this out from the fabric, sew it, and see what we've got. Sewed it. So what we have now, this kind of shape, sewed everywhere. Let's turn it good side out, and we'll have to stuff it then. Here is the neck, here are the legs. I will be using this stuffing material. Here we have the body. Next bit will be the head of this cat. I'm just drawing straight onto the paper as him / the pattern. I will adjust it if I need it as I go. time to make a face. The face is a fun part. I will start with the ears first. So for the ears we need gray and pink. It's a triangle thing with a bit of pink in the middle. So the ears are finished. Okay, time now for the face. Let's try to cut out some circles to place them and see how it looks. So the head, the body are made. Now we'll do the tail. Let's do like that. Okay, so my last step is to join the head like that. After a long job and a big mess in my studio, we've got this project over. Okay, so the cat doesn't hold its head. Obviously the neck is too long, but I guess that's how it's supposed to be. I guess we've got a new pet. Meow. So it's time to show it to the kids. Now, here we go. Ta-da!
Oh, wow. Thank you, Mommy. This cat looks fire.
Like it?
Yes. That the long neck is the reason why the cat is called the noodle.